back to a slice of life. Should I even be using this? Maybe not. Okay guys, so as I was saying, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make a 2-tier cake. Later on, I'll be showing you how I stack the smaller cake on top of a bigger cake. And usually people use this thing called the wooden sticks? No, wooden dowels. But I won't be using that. So today I'll be using bubble tea straws. And after we have stacked them, we are gonna decorate it with some basic purple watercolor effect and put some fresh flowers as well as this sugar cactus on it. If you do have any questions which are not answered in this video, do leave them down in the comment box so that I can get back to you. I just hope that you will enjoy this video and just keep watching. Remember to put your cake into the freezer after doing this step. Here I'm repeating the steps for the smaller cake. Please make sure that your cake is super duper cold before you do this. Do this step right and you'll get really straight edges. If you happen to make a bigger cake, remember to use small bubble tea straws. Mix some of your food coloring with lemon extract and you will be able to create this beautiful effect. Here I'm adding on some silver leaves to give it a little shine. Remember to wash your flowers and wrap the bottom up with flower tape. Wrap it up completely so that none of the pesticides will seep through. You don't want anyone to get food poisoning eating that, do you? Oops, I just realized that the angle is a little wrong. There we go! Hey guys, I hope you found that video helpful, especially in helping you to create those really neat and really straight edges on your cake. Personally, I don't find a lot of videos showing that, so I thought I'll share it with you. If you do have any questions you want to ask, do leave them in the comment box down below. If not, remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone for watching and see you next time. Bye! Bye! Click on the link to watch my previous video.